Welcome back to DreamStart Labs. In this video, I'd like to introduce you to a new feature of the DreamSave app that allows you to delete your personal DreamSave account. Let's get started. In this scenario, let's say that Olivia wants to give her phone to her brother, but first wants to delete her personal DreamSave account from the phone to protect her privacy. To delete the account, she needs to first log into her personal account. And here on the welcome page, we see personal login. We click on that and then click on Olivia to log into her account. We put the passcode and then click login. Once logged in, Olivia will be able to see her total savings, total dream stars, and the savings group that she's saving with. And when we scroll down to the bottom of that page, we see delete account. And then when you click on it, a pop-up comes. And this pop-up wants us to confirm that we are sure we want to delete this account. Remember that deleting an account will mean that Olivia will no longer have access to the account or any of her savings or loans records on DreamSave. So since we are sure that Olivia wants to delete her account, we go ahead and click on Yes, delete account and all my record and all my data. We click there. Notice the app is telling us that we cannot delete the account until Olivia settles her loans with all her savings groups on DreamSave and is removed as a member from each group. Olivia will have to wait until when her group has its next meeting to ask to be removed from the group on the DreamSave app. Only once this change to the group's membership has been saved and backed up to the internet will Olivia be able to successfully delete her personal DreamSave account. So we shall do that, wait for her, and then we'll be able to delete her personal account. Now that Olivia has settled her account with her group and has been removed, let's try again to delete her account. We'll go through the steps that we had gone through and then we reach where we stopped. Let's go back, personal login, Olivia. We have already gone through these steps, but we just want to reach where we had stopped. We log in. A few minutes and we shall be there. Okay, good. Now we've logged in. We went to delete account and then we confirmed. And now here we put in again the passcode. And now we have to sign. We click on her name and then we sign to confirm that it is her who wants to delete her account. And then click done, and then we confirm account deletion. Yes, it has worked. Now that Olivia has been deleted, she can no longer see her DreamSave account. And before closing this screen, be careful to note that even though she has deleted her account, she can still have access to it in the next 30 days. So we can hold on to this DreamSave account, the Dream ID, and then if in 30 days she wants to retrieve her account, she can do so. After 30 days, she will not be able to get her account again. If now we try to log in back, let's say done, and then we try to log back into her account, we see that her name is no longer there. There is only Adam Rwanga. So thank you for watching. That is how we delete a personal account.